Welcome, today in front of me Nubia Red Magic 7S, and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So first let's just open the settings application and then scroll to lock screen launcher and tap settings, then tap to wallpaper, and here we can select our new wallpaper from defaults or just to use the gallery application. Here we can select the previously taken photo on our device camera or download it from the internet, for example. So let's use maybe the one from the defaults, so let's use this one. Click here, you can see how this wallpaper will look on your lock or home screen. Then just tap here apply and click to set as lock screen. Here we can see the message that this wallpaper set successfully. So let's just unlock our device and let's try the another way. So we should hold for a while our screen with the finger, then on the left down corner tap to wallpapers and select one from these available wallpapers or click to more wallpapers, and by the same way let's for example use our default the download wallpaper. For example, let's use this position, click apply, set as lock screen, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.